Welcome to the first episode of the MONSTERTECH Monster Show. And today we have prepared something big. I thought about what can we do? For a first episode we need to do something interesting. We have sim rigs, we have stands, we have table mounts. What else can we do? So I looked at my gaming chair here and thought, yeah, let's build a completely new product line, the MONSTERTECH gaming chair mounts. Our first prototype here is for the Maxnomic Need for Seat chair, but in the future we are going to support almost all the big brands for gaming chairs. There's like 1,000. But first, let's try to build this one. Let's go.
Over the last few years, we have regularly been contacted if you cannot make a mounting solution for a gaming chair, and I'm very happy that we finally are now getting to it. Our goal from the beginning was to use the standard attachment mechanism for the gaming chair armrests and reuse it to attach the HOTAS joystick and throttle mounts, because that's the only real stable attachment point we can use. Anything else on the armrest, the plastic encasing or the top of the armrest is just not stable enough to hold a joystick so that you can really enjoy flying. As with all our products, the mounting plates are of course interchangeable, and we do have dedicated ones for almost all the joysticks and throttles on the market. So if you later get a new joystick, you can just switch out the plate.
Time to play some games. But first, let me thank everybody who contributed in the Monster Foundry. Check out monsterfoundry.net for more information. In contributing and helping us to make and design the gaming chair mounts. And of course we still need your help, because we want to make them compatible with as many gaming chairs as we can, but we don't have them here. I really don't want to start a gaming chair collection here. Over the next few days we will do the last few details, make a little adjustments here and there, and hopefully they will be available on our web shop very soon, so everybody can enjoy them. So let's start gaming. We will see you again in the second episode of the MONSTERTECH Monster Show sometime soon. You can attach them and start gaming. So, Dennis. What? Oh. Okay, it was dangerous.